Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I am going to be filming everything that I'm eating. Of course, starting off with breakfast. So I kind of woke up around like 9 a.m. and I think now it's like 10. That's usually the time that I start eating breakfast. So I'm going to take you guys with me. Today I'm going to be making a super like simple breakfast. I don't really eat like that many like different meals for breakfast, so it's kind of just simple. I'm probably gonna make bacon, eggs with some strawberries and maybe some toast, and that's pretty much it. All right, so we got one full egg. I'm also gonna have some egg whites, and then here's the bread that I'm gonna be using. This is just light rye. I absolutely love this because the slices are big, but it's only 60 calories per slice, so I feel like that's really good. And then I'm gonna be having 2 slices of bacon. Okay, no strawberries today because these have gone bad. I'm so sad. But I probably just picked a bad batch and these are all going bad. All right, bacon is done. Egg is pretty much almost done. And that is it. Super simple, and like I said, I couldn't have the strawberries because they were going bad. And of course I got my water with me. All right, you guys have seen me make this green juice so much, so I feel like I don't really need to show it or like show you how I make it anymore. Hello, my boy. So this is a green juice. I just feel kind of bad that I didn't have the strawberries for breakfast, so I just want something healthy just to know that I got my greens in. I'm not naturally like a person who enjoys eating their greens, so this is just a way for me to get it in. So this is celery, cilantro, kale. I actually put kale this time, and spinach. As you can see, oh, also some lime juice. That's gonna help at least make it taste a little bit better because as you can see, I'm completely out of fruit. There's no fruit in this, which is gonna, it's just really, this is gonna taste bad. If you want it to taste good, you know, you do have to add like pineapple, mango, or even green apple is really good. I'm not a fan of banana with it. I just find the taste of banana just doesn't do well with greens. I don't know, that's like a personal preference though. This is gonna taste bad. If I had some pineapple, I would have added some in there. Should really help the flavor, but I'm all out of fruit. And I'm also gonna add some water in there too. And here we go. All done. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to pop on here quickly and give a quick shout out to Vanity Planet. This video is in partnership with them, so thank you so much to them. I honestly have been working with them for forever and they're the most amazing brand, but you guys know, let me pick it up because it's like super heavy. Here it is, this bad boy. You guys know I have been obsessed with this scale. Literally, it's helped me so much in my fitness journey and my weight loss journey. So for those of you that are on a fitness journey, honestly a scale is really important because you do want to track your weight, but with this scale you track so much more than your weight. You can track your water percentage, you can track your muscle percentage, and you can track your body fat. It also does show you your bone as well, but I mainly focus on the muscle percentage and the body fat. So I love that because I don't want to just focus on weight. Like, I don't want to lose weight, I want to lose fat, you know? So this really shows me like my body fat percentage. I love watching it go down. It's so satisfying. What's great about this as well is you can share it with your friends and family because you can add, I believe, up to 8. I believe it's 8 different profiles on here. So it's really great if you have a family or if you have roommates, you guys can use the same scale. You don't have to have like 6 or 7 different scales everywhere. So I absolutely love that. But what I really love about the scale is the accuracy. I've had scales in the past, you guys know this, that literally lied to your girl. Like my last scale literally told me I was 26% body fat or 22% body fat. 22% body fat when I was literally 150 pounds. That was literally impossible for me because I was very overweight. I was like 155 pounds at 5'1". I was really overweight. I had a lot of excess body fat. So when that scale said 22%, I was like, okay. But you know, my in denial self wanted to believe it. And then I hopped on this scale and it really gave me a reality check. Reality checks are good though. You don't want to live in denial. This scale is super accurate and it's gonna, you know, really tell you what's going on with your fitness journey, so I absolutely love that. So of course you guys know that I have a discount code for you. This code is absolutely amazing. You guys can get 60% off this scale. 60% off using my link or my coupon code. So I'm gonna leave the link down below. The code is automatically applied through that link, but you can also enter in the code if you need to, AM60. The scale is originally $125 and that code is literally gonna get you the scale for $50. And I'm letting you guys know right now, take it from a girl who's used a ton of scales over the years, you're not gonna find a scale that sleek looking, that accurate, that informative, that good at $50. You're just not. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below if you guys are interested. Okay, so I think it's officially time for me to get out of this robe and get dressed because it's literally like 10:50 right now. Time for your girl to get dressed. Also, I'm feeling so energized after that green smoothie. I just feel ready for the day, even though it did taste really bad. I feel good. So I am going to do some work for the rest of the day. Today's Monday, so it's a really productive day. I get my most work done during Mondays. So yeah, I'm gonna do some work for the rest of the day and I will see you guys again at lunchtime, which I'm actually gonna make a really yummy new meal for lunch. Fun fact, this is actually a meal inspired by Freshii. Freshii is kind of like Chipotle, but it's like a healthier version. They don't put like too much salt in their food. All of their stuff is just super fresh. Like, it's just different. Like, you know, Chipotle is like fattening. Freshii is just really fresh ingredients, simplicity. Like, I won't lie, their food isn't the greatest, like it's not the most flavorful, but it gets like it tastes good, you know. It gets the job done when I want a healthy meal. Anyways, they actually sell these bowls and I'm usually not a fan of bowls, like, to be honest with you. They just look overly too healthy for me. Like, I know that sounds crazy, but I just look at it and I'm just like, wow, that just does not look satisfying. So I'm not usually a fan, but my boyfriend was actually eating one and I made one for him and I was like, forget it, like I'm just gonna try it as well, why not? So I made one for myself as well. Oh my god, absolutely incredible. Like, just such a good healthy lunch that actually tasted yummy and fresh and good. And the best part was I was super full afterwards because there's so many nutrients. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. It's pretty much like a bowl with brown rice, chicken, corn, lettuce, just beans. Like, there's just lots of greatness. So I'm gonna share that with you guys for lunch. But honestly, I usually don't eat lunch until like 2. Yeah, like 2:30. So I will see you guys soon for lunch. Okay, so it's lunchtime now. It's 1:33, so that's about the time that I did want to start prepping. So I am prepping the chicken right now because I need to grill the chicken for the bowl. This is just salt, black pepper, and I added a little bit of chili powder, and that's pretty much it. I'm keeping it pretty simple just so it can be nice and fresh and simple. And I did add some avocado oil, and I do have the indoor grill heating up. It's actually ready to go. So I'm gonna start putting the chicken on it. And I'm gonna cube up the chicken, but I'm just gonna let it cook first. All right, and then close that up. I have it on 350. And I'm gonna do 7 minutes on each side and flip it. Okay, so like I mentioned, I made this a few days ago, so I have a lot of the ingredients already prepped and like ready to go. So I'm just gonna kind of reuse them. This is salsa fresca that I made myself. I actually used the HelloFresh recipe that I learned. So I chopped up tomatoes, chopped up red onion, cilantro, mixed it all together, and then added some salt, black pepper, and some lime juice. It is so good, you guys. And then this is just short grain brown rice that I made with just water and salt and black pepper. So super simple. Some corn, some beans. The beans I'm gonna reheat, but all of this is going to be cold. So I'm actually gonna put this back in the fridge to keep it cool. And then this, I'm gonna heat it up. And then you can also put beets. I don't like beets, so I'm not gonna be putting this on mine. And you can also put avocado, is really good in that too. I'm also gonna put some lettuce, which is in the fridge, in my bowl. You can put kale, you can put spinach, you can put whatever you want. I just like lettuce on mine. So it's actually kind of an easy meal to make. You can have the rice already prepped, chicken prepped if you want. So I wanted to show you guys the way that I quickly reheat rice, because I know that once you prep rice, it gets kind of like hard and it just doesn't taste the same. But if you want to like freshen it up and it'll taste brand new and fresh, all you have to do is take the amount that you want. I'm gonna have about half a cup for my serving, and then all you do is add a little bit of water, literally the tiniest amount. It's like a splash, and then microwave it. Literally just microwave it for about 1.5 minutes, and just the steam that'll come from the water will reheat the rice perfectly and it'll get it nice and fluffy again. So I'm gonna set that aside until I'm ready. Look at the portion size difference. Well, welcome to a deficit life. All right, the chicken is ready to be flipped. Should have some nice grill marks on it. Yes, look at that. And the sauce slash dressing that I'm gonna be using is this salsa ranch that I got. This one actually tastes pretty good, and it just gives like that Mexican like chipotle kind of vibe flavor. So yeah, it's not too bad either, 45 per tablespoon. So I kind of just make sure I only use the serving size. Also, I'm gonna be dressing the salad with these tortilla strips. These are like deathly good, like so good that like you want to eat the whole bag. So you gotta be careful, but they're really, really flavorful. These are the chili lime flavor. They honestly taste like Doritos. Again, you know, it can be, you might want to eat the whole bag. Okay, just heating up the black beans here. Some of them are lighter and some of them are darker. And what's funny is I used, the darker ones are organic and then the lighter ones are from a non-organic can. So that's interesting. But anyways, I'm heating these up now, and all I'm gonna do is add a little bit of spray oil on them, just a little bit. And then also I'm gonna put some salt and black pepper, but I'm gonna keep it light, you know, just so that it can be fresh and you can taste its natural flavor. I'm not gonna season it too much. All right, so it's been about 8 minutes, and as you can see, the chicken is nice and cooked, but it's still just juicy. But I really want to get those like black grill marks on it, so I've fired it up all the way to sear, just so we can get those nice marks on it. All right, so the chicken is off the grill, and I am just going to cube it up into pieces. All right, so the microwave is warming up my rice, and I wanted to show you guys I got these cute little bowls from Loblaws. They're just perfect for something like this. So I'm gonna take that. All right, so my rice is all done. Not that much rice, you can put more, but this is just what I put for my portion sizes. Throw the chicken right on the side. And then I got my black beans. So if you know me, then you know I'm actually not a huge fan of beans, but they are super healthy, so I am just putting just a little bit, you know, right beside the beans. Corn I love, so I'm gonna put a good amount. Look how good that looks so far. Fun fact, I actually hate tomatoes, but I love salsa fresca. I don't even know how that makes sense, but there's that. And then the last thing I'm gonna be doing is putting some lettuce. I like a lot of lettuce in mine because it's so crunchy and fresh. Okay, now you guys know I actually hate avocado, and I usually don't put it on mine, but I figured, you know what, for today I'm gonna try a little bit of avocado. I cut it like in stripes so that I can take little slithers and little pieces. So you know what, I'm gonna try a little bit of avocado. Stepping outside my comfort zone here. Just a little bit, not a lot. Okay, and then I'm gonna be putting my sauce. Oh my god, this looks so good. Last step is to put the tortilla strips. And then that is it, you guys. Like, how absolutely incredible does this look? I die. That was literally incredible. Okay, so it's about 5:30-ish now, and I'm getting super hungry for dinner, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm actually making. Today's like kind of a busy day, especially work-wise for me, and anytime that's the case, I just wanna make something really fast for dinner so I can keep like editing and working. And in today's case, I am editing all day, so I don't really want to cook right now, so I'm gonna make something really fast. I've actually been having this for dinner for the past few nights. This is frozen pizza that's already made. It's from the brand Giuseppe, which a lot of you guys actually told me that you love as well. I'm gonna pop the box up on the screen so that you guys can see what the brand is and everything if you haven't heard of it. I'm gonna add a little tiny bit more cheese because like there's like no cheese on this. Like, a bitch loves cheese, we gotta add some more. And then I'm gonna add some sliced olives because you guys know I love olives on my pizza. So good. And then I think I might just add 1 or 2 more pepperoni slices, only because I usually don't do this because it's already on there, but only because this is like almost finishing and it's also almost going to be going bad soon. Yeah, so I kind of just want to waste it and use it up, you know? Okay, I'm like so bummed out because I realized that I used the rest of my garlic sauce. That's why it's upside down. I used the rest of my garlic sauce last night and I have like none left. I think there's a tiny bit at the bottom. Oh, I'm so bummed out because this is literally the best garlic sauce in the entire world, and it's not that high in calorie. Like, I found other garlic sauces that are 100 per tablespoon and this is only 60, so it's really not that bad and it still tastes so good. This is the brand, by the way, President's Choice. So I'm going to continue, you know, letting it drain to the bottom. So what I think I'm going to do is, since I have no other choice, I considered going to the grocery store, but as you guys can see, I'm already in my PJs and I already washed my makeup off. I have my skincare oil on. So I'm not gonna hit up the grocery store right now, looking crazy. So what I might do is mix whatever's left over of this with this 30-calorie yogurt salad dressing that I bought. This is the classic ranch with a hint of garlic flavor. So I mean, I hope it's good, and I'll just mix it with whatever's kind of left over on this one. I'm kind of bummed out because that's my favorite garlic sauce. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put this pizza in the oven. I only put it for about 17 minutes on 450. And that's it. The pizza is done. All right, so I just finished eating dinner, and you guys know me, I always need some dessert. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna be having. I'm gonna be having the same thing I did last time. To be honest with you, I was actually laughing the other day because I've had one of these every single night for dessert for like the past month straight. No lie, they're so good. It's pretty much just frozen yogurt dipped into milk chocolate. It's so yummy. It's only 100 calories, so I absolutely love that. And it satisfies my sweet tooth, so that's always good because honestly, balance is key. If I don't satisfy my sweet tooth, your girl will go crazy and binge. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I ate today. I'm gonna put the total calories on the screen. Just keep in mind that this is my calorie deficit because I'm a 5'1" female, and it's just based on my height, my gender, my activity level, just for me. So don't follow my deficit. You got to make sure to check your own calorie numbers. I'll leave my favorite calorie calculator down below, or you guys can use the LifeSum app. They're really great as well and super accurate with the deficit. As you can tell, I'm like kind of tired for the night because I've been editing all day. So I'm just ready to eat my little ice cream, watch some Riverdale, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.